Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn this into this. I'm gonna start with cleaning a surface that I'm planning to paint. And when everything is clean, I can start masking the parts of the chair that I'm not gonna be painting. Now I need to cover the top and I can start painting. So I chose satin black and I'm applying the first coat of paint. When paint is dry, I can start applying the second coat of paint. Now we're gonna be making the bronze oil rub look, and for it I'm using metal copper, all-in-one paint and primer and thread. Simply spray a bit of paint on some surface and dip your thread into it. And start applying the paint. As you can see, I already have amazing result, and you can do some touch-ups with just paintbrush. Now I'm gonna be applying the paint around the base of the chair. You can also apply here your paint with thread. It makes an amazing result that you can never achieve with paintbrush. Now we can start removing the tape. This is the final result. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.